Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to use the BMW Speed Limiter and hopefully save your driving license. But before we get started, there's a link above now about how to replace the battery in your BMW key fob. Okay, so you're driving along and then you see this warning sign, average speed check, 20 miles an hour. So you don't want to be going over 20 miles an hour and you don't want to be losing this. So what you do is while you're driving along at the speed that you are doing, press the Lim button, which means speed limit. Now this will automatically set it to the speed of whatever you're traveling at. So I was traveling at exactly 20 miles an hour, so it set the speed limit at 20 miles an hour. Now you can scroll this up and down using this button here. If you push it hard, it goes up in 5 miles an hour increments or down in 5 mile an hour increments. If you flick that button softly, it will go up or down in 1 mile an hour increments. Now when you press the accelerator, it will not go above 20 miles an hour. The only way you can exceed 20 miles an hour is if you put the accelerator pedal flat to the floor. Once you release it, it will then come back down to 20 miles an hour again. It doesn't actually brake, it just reduces the power. And if you want to turn the speed limiter off, just push that button again. You can see in the background it just switches it on and off. So if you want to save this, then use your speed limiter. There's a link above now about how to turn on or turn off the BMW traffic updates on your satellite navigation system. And now it's time to pull over and have a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And don't forget to press that bell notification tab.